everyone, welcome back to the CRUMBL review. This week lineup don't look too bad, and I'm kind of excited because it has so many things with chocolate, and we love chocolate, and we sure do. Oh, it's breaking. This is a peanut butter feet Snickers, and I absolutely love Snickers. So it has nothing in the middle. I feel like this one would be mad good. I love the chocolate theme for this week. Tastes just like a Snicker. I think the cookie base is peanut butter. It does have my throat a little bit dry, but it's really moist. It's so when you've been to it, super good. I wish they had more Snicker in it, but because I'm getting more of the peanut butter taste and the Snicker taste, but it's still really good. This one's really good. So this one's like the sugar one or whatever. I feel like I already know how this one's gonna taste like, because all these sugar cookies. Are you serious? Are you serious right now? It's like a Walmart sugar cookie. I didn't even do the rating. Previous rating for the last one. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10 for this one. I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10. It tastes like a regular sugar cookie. It doesn't really have a crazy taste to it. And you like that. It just tastes like a Walmart sugar cookie. I don't really like their sugar cookies like that, I'm not gonna lie, when they do that design. Like, I had it before, for me. This is the cornbread. So this is the cornbread. And I love me a cornbread, so I want to try this one. I don't know. Try without the frosting. I'm not really getting the cornbread feel, to be honest. I taste it slightly, but it's not too much. I feel like the frosting is overpowering for the actual taste, but when you taste the cornbread by itself, it doesn't really taste like cornbread. I feel like that's a giant stomach ache. I'm not even gonna lie, because cornbread with sugar, see, I got my stomach trembling a little bit. I give that one a 6.8 because it wasn't bad. It was just like a stomach ache awaiting. This one, I should leave this one for last, but comment down below if y'all were a Chips Ahoy person or Oreos person, because I was a Chips Ahoy girl, and they got a Chips Ahoy cookie. I feel like it's about to be so good, real good. It looks so good. I'm about to give you like a close-up. Yeah, see how she's looking. Like, it's about to be so good. Honestly, I feel like the frosting is not necessary. But cookie, the cookie tastes amazing. Just the frosting is not ready, but when you bite into it, you just smell Chips Ahoy. So, this cookie is so freaking good. I love Chips Ahoy. I really love Chips Ahoy. That cookie was so good. The frosting wasn't overpowering, but I feel like the frosting was taken away from the chocolate taste from the actual cookie. The cookie was made so well. I love that cookie. Just I wish I didn't have frosting. I wonder if I could request without the frosting. But I'm gonna give that cookie a 8.7. No, 9.3. I'm gonna give it a 9.3 because The cookie is really good. I just wasn't rocking with the frosting like that. So this is the last cookie. My battery's on, so we'll try it. The chocolate base is really good. But I don't really taste the coconut, but the chocolate cookie tastes super good. Oh my god, my battery blinking red is giving me so much anxiety. So this one is super good. It's super chocolatey. I don't really taste the coconut, to be honest. Let me try breaking it to see if I taste the coconut closer. I don't taste it. It really just tastes like a chocolate cookie. I don't taste the coconut. I'm gonna give that one a 8. I'm gonna give this like 8.7 because I really do like the chocolate cookie, but I don't taste no coconut. So it kind of made it better because I was hoping not to taste the coconut. So that's it for today's video. I'm sorry if I seem really low energy. I don't know if I do. I didn't really explain a lot of these cookies today. Sorry. It wasn't on purpose. It was just like, I feel like this week lineup was really self-explanatory. Like whatever they said they were gonna do, they kind of did it. And I was really feeling the whole chocolate thing because I love chocolate. So yeah, today's a nice short video. Make sure you like this video, comment down below what things you want me to do, and I want to do a weird combination video, so comment down below weird combinations, your favorite weird combinations. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Make sure you like this video, comment down below suggestions, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on another video. My favorite one was the Chips Ahoy and the Snickers. Bye y'all. Make sure y'all tune in. I'm gonna upload this week. I'm gonna try to. I'm not gonna make empty promises to y'all. Bye y'all.